Hello everyone. You must not have seen many Ducati scramblers on Indian roads. That seems to be very much weird, and the reasons are very much funny also. Why the Indian people don't like Ducati scrambler? That's so weird. I will tell you the fact why they don't. Generally, Ducati Scrambler has 2 to 3 models which sells in India, and they are really damn expensive, so people avoid buying Ducati Scrambler. Not much videos of Ducati Scrambler are there in YouTube because it's a very rare bike and people don't generally prefer such bikes because of their size, mileage, and other maintenance expenses. But today I will give you 5 funny reasons why people avoid buying such bikes. I generally love this bike and I totally mean it. So, let's start with the reasons. First one, price. If someone is paying 10 lakhs, why shall he buy the small bike like Ducati Scrambler, and why not a big beefed up Royal Enfield? Why not? So, first reason is the price. It's bloody expensive. So people do avoid it. And some might even say, हम इतना पैसा दे रहे हैं तो इतना छोटा बाइक क्यों ले, बड़ा क्यों ना ले ले, इस बाइक में ऐसा क्या है जो उसमें नहीं है. Then they don't prefer the L twin or the scrambler and not the small one because they don't compromise with the sizes, and they typically think that they have paid so they need to have a big beefed up bike. And then typical Indian mindset, what to do cannot be changed. Then the second one is size. So what the Indian people say, if you have paid, then you must get a big beefed up bike with all the luggage packages, etc., accessories. Typically, there is no logic to the size, but why people think and why they don't prefer Ducati over Royal Enfield, I also don't know. Ducati Scrambler is just half of the size of the full beefed up Royal Enfield, but people have taken the decision that they have paid means they need the size. The third one is the exhaust note. If generally someone buys a bike, first question that comes to us is how is the sound? When you accelerate the throttle, how is the sound? How much it bangs on the road? How much sound can you hear from a farther distance? All these topics means if they have paid means they also want the sound, but that seems to be quite irritating. The Ducati Scrambler is not such a bigger loud sound. It sounds just like the normal exhaust note, the Akrapovic exhaust, but it does not sound like a Phatpati Royal Enfield. And why don't people prefer Ducati over Royal Enfield? I think they like the Indian Phatpati sound. The fourth one is the position. It has Ducati Scrambler has clip-ons, aggressive positions. You need to lean yourself on the tank and ride, accelerate the throttle and go by the roads. But people in India, because of their obese, they don't like all, or they feel awkward to keep their tank on the bike tank. So that's the problem. Two reasons for which people avoid Ducati Scrambler. One is the size, second is the low exhaust note, third is the pricing, fourth is the position. They feel awkward to position themselves on the tank. Fifth one, mileage. What an Activa generally gives mileage 60 kmpl, but the Ducati Scrambler does not. It gives 12 to 13 kmpl. But people have taken the decision, if they have paid, they need to have a greater mileage. But because the engine displacement is large, which gives a bigger and bigger horsepower, so it also needs a lot of fuel to consume itself. So it has 12 to 13 kmpl of fuel, but people, typical Indian mindset, they avoid Ducati Scrambler. So these are the 5 typical reasons why people avoid Ducati Scrambler. Wait for the next video. Till then, like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Wait. Wait for the clip of the Ducati Scrambler. Watch it out now.
Sing her